If you want to know how to make money online without investment, you're on the right address. Stop whatever you're doing right now and focus next couple of minutes on learning another great method to make money online as a broke beginner. What's up YouTube, Picoworkers here, back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you step by step exactly how you can start earning $10 every 60 minutes by doing simple jobs from your mobile phone, whether you have an Android device or Apple device. You'll be able to start making money with this super simple, super easy method instantly. And that's what I'm gonna show you next, so make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. What's super excited about this method is they're gonna pay you through the PayPal, but they also have many different payment methods. Another great news is that this money-making method is available in over 50 countries, including India, Pakistan, Vietnam, Philippines, US, Canada, United Kingdom. Doesn't matter where you're located, you can start with this opportunity right here and right now. Before we go to the content, I just want to let you know that I'm trying to share a real value here on this channel. No pitching, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just sharing my knowledge, ideas and experiences on how to make money online. So if you're interested in making money online, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell as well. Also, if you like this video, smash the like. Without further ado, let's go get into the content. Okay guys, and we are over at picoworkers.com. That is a website that I'm talking about. What you're gonna do first, you're gonna go and sign up for a new account, and here you fill all your details. As you can see, it's very important that you have only one account and that you use a real name, and you can't change countries later. And before you can start making money, they're gonna verify, they're gonna send you an email and you get confirmation, and then when you confirm your account, you'll be able to start making money online. As you can see, it's available in over 50 or so countries. So basically, all you have to do is create your account, and then you'll be able to log in into Picoworkers. And I'm going to show you from inside a little bit later. So how it works, employers ask you to help them do the work. And you as a worker, you deliver the work and you get paid in order to do the work, obviously. So all these jobs are usually small jobs, and they paid, as you can see, like visit the website and click something on the website, 3 cents. YouTube, watch and like, 15 cents. Quick search, visit my website, 4 cents. Bridge of love, sign up, 20 cents. Visit my blog, comment and click, 5 cents. Fiverr, sign up and review, 14 cents. And stuff like that. As you can see, there's plenty of job opportunities right now at the moment. There are also some ongoing featured jobs, easy daily tasks, $1. Easy daily tasks, 20 cents and stuff like that. You see, also what's very good about this is they have a really advanced payment options. So they obviously have a PayPal, Skrill, Payza, they have a PaySafe card, Amazon card. I'm not sure which cards are these, but they also have a Bitcoin as a payment method, which I believe is quite advanced compared to the many other sites. Also, as you can see, you can check their reviews on a Facebook page. They're very popular at the moment, 9,400 likes. And just one more thing, there is another great way that you can start making money with these or with Picoworkers. They have also a great referral program. So if you go over and check affiliates part of the site, as you can see, you can earn 5%. And then whoever registers using your referral link, you're gonna get 5% of whatever, whether they're employer or worker, whatever they earn, then whatever they spend on a platform. So whether they're earning or spending on platform, you're gonna get 5%. So I believe it's a really great method to earn some money passively from Picoworkers. Yeah, also one more interesting thing right now, they have this incentive of 75 cents if you register through the couple of next days. Also, I'm gonna leave a link in description. That will be my referral link. So in case you want to support me, please register using that link. If not, I wish you good luck. It doesn't actually matter. Anyway, let me log in to my account. I did a couple of jobs just to verify that this is a legit site. So I think I made like 15 or something bucks. So yeah, I made around 15 bucks. It took me around 2 days. I logged in 2 or 3 times, completed all the tasks that were available, and I would probably make around $7-8 bucks in completing all the tasks. Then I log in again, and there was maybe around $3, and then third time I made around 7. So basically it took me 3 days to make around, I think, 15 or something like that dollars. on this platform, and it's actually very easy and very simple to do. So let me see. So basically what you're gonna do, let's say visit the website plus 2 clicks. This is not so, yeah, like for example this one. And as you can see, it was offered to 150 people. 124 people successfully completed job as of yet. It's available on these countries, so excluding countries, so you can't do from these countries. Okay, Germany, Egypt, United Kingdom, India, Bangladesh, Australia, Sri Lanka, France, Pakistan, and Albania, but it's available in every other country. It's paying you 4 cents per job, and it probably takes like 30 seconds to do. What's expected from worker? Go to the website, click on a Facebook post to visit the website, visit 4 posts of the website, 1 minute, and then click, oh, this is not recommended. But that's not your business. Like if he wants you to do it, you just do it and collect these 4 cents and go back to the small jobs. And let's find something that's a little bit better. Create a Gmail account. For example, this is a crazy, like, right? So let's see, provide a Gmail address and password, and second one, and is there any bonus or something? Yeah, for example, you see, if you created 2 Gmail accounts, they'll pay you 18 cents. So if you have a spare SIM card, or even in some countries you don't need a SIM card, you basically just create a Gmail account, verify, remove your email, and put their recovery email on as they requested, and basically just head over them your Gmail, newly created Gmail accounts, and basically they're gonna pay you 18 cents. And I mean, it takes you like literally 3 minutes to do, and maybe another minute to remove phone number, but that's, you know what I mean. It's a small task that immediately pays you, and you literally get money in no time. Like, this is something interesting as well. You can download the apps, visit the website. As you can see, there's plenty of jobs. I believe this is a really great method, especially if you have any sort of following, and you can maybe recommend some friends to register, and if they let's say growing their website or blog and they need some visitors, and you then recommend them, maybe you can try this method or something, and then you get 5% from every deposit they do or everything what they spend. With that being said, guys, we got to the end of this video. Before I knock off, I just want to let you know, guys, that Picoworkers is not the only website that allows you to do micro jobs. There's also mTurk, there is Rapid Workers, and there is another one called Microworkers as well. I already did a Microworkers video on my channel, so I'll definitely leave link to that video in a right hand side at the end of this video. Also, if you're first time on my channel and if you like what you've seen, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss new videos on my channel. I'll do my best to provide the real value. I won't try to pitch you, I won't try to sell you anything. I'm also running a affiliate marketing journey. I'm a little bit late because I got some other stuff to do, so I'm maybe 2.5, 3 weeks behind the schedule. But anyway, you can find videos on my channel as well, how to start an affiliate marketing business and how to start a website and stuff like that. One last thing before I knock off, if you like this video, make sure you smash the like and comment in the description below, because it helps this video rank higher and helps reach more people. Or if you know someone that would, or if you maybe know someone that would benefit from this video directly, make sure you share with them. With that being said, we got to the end of this video. I wish you good luck. Don't forget to check the cards on the right hand side. I'll make sure to put something really valuable to you, really valuable for beginners. And yes, thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you again.